In this video, we're going to go over what a WordPress plugin is. One of the primary advantages of WordPress is the ability to upload and use plugins. Plugins are bits of software that can be installed to add functionality to your WordPress site. Let's take a look at the plugins I currently have installed. Here I have a list of all my plugins that are installed and activated and deactivated. You can access your plugins by heading over here to the left, hovering over the plugins link, and clicking on Install Plugins. Plugins can extend the functionality of your WordPress site. There's tons of plugins to choose from the WordPress plugin directory. Some plugins can be more practical, like Backup Buddy. They can back up and restore your site anytime you may need to go back to a certain point where changes were made, or if you are hacked and you need to restore to an older version of your site. And some plugins can be more for fun, like Hello Dolly, that'll add a random Hello Dolly lyric to the top right hand corner of your screen. Now if we want to add new plugins, we'll head over here to the Add New link, and this will take us to our WordPress plugin directory. You might be asking, what type of things can plugins do? And the answer to that is, if you can imagine it, there's probably a plugin for it. All you got to do is take a stroll through the WordPress plugin directory and find what you're looking for. If you already have an idea of what you're looking for, you can head up to the top right hand corner of the screen and search. Once you find what you're looking for, if you need to know more about the plugin or just curious about it, you can click on more details, and this will give you plenty of information over the plugin. If you're wondering why you would pay for a WordPress plugin, well, there's several reasons. While there are thousands of plugins available for free from the plugin directory, paid plugins usually offer full-time support staff and developers that work on maintaining the security of the plugin with the latest version of WordPress, as well as other themes and plugins. Most of the time, plugins play nicely with the core of the WordPress and with other plugins, but sometimes plugin code will get in the way of other plugins, causing compatibility issues. With the paid plugin, it's just nice to know that you have support staff that can help you out if anything goes wrong.